Hey guys, my name is Francesca. Welcome to my channel if you are new here, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. Today I want to do something special. Actually, I'm gonna do a first. I am going to use a diffuser on my natural hair for the first time ever. Yay! So basically, I've been natural for 5 years and I've never done a wash and go because they just end up disastrous. Basically, when I wash my hair, it starts out really pretty, I have definition, and then about an hour later, it's just like full-on Diana Ross 70s, which is fine. I know a lot of people like that look, but I'm more of like a laid... Okay, but I'm more of like a laid, curly look type of person. Like I just am not as into volume as everyone else. So I've been told for years that the solution to my problem would be to get a diffuser and that it would keep my curls intact and help manage the frizz and that whole like spiraling effect of my hair just getting bigger and bigger as the minutes go by. So my friends over at T3 sent me a blow dryer. It's called the Cura Luxe, and it's a really high-powered iron air dryer with 5 heat settings. And I don't know if everyone knows this, if this is common knowledge, but a diffuser is actually a piece that you put on the blow dryer. I always thought a diffuser was its own separate machine, if you will, but actually you're supposed to take this and then put it on top of your blow dryer. So today's video is going to be kind of a review because this is also my first time using T3 products, and it's going to be my first time using a diffuser. So I'm going to wash my hair, I'm going to come back, and let's see how it works. Okay, so I basically have put a ton of gel. I'm using this Oribe curl jelly, and it's my first time using a gel on my hair actually, and I kind of like it. So far it looks pretty. I can't believe this is literally my first time trying gel. I put a little bit in my hair once and it just didn't do anything, but I put like this much, and now that I've put a few globs, I'm excited to see what the diffuser is gonna do. Alright, so I am back. I've got my blow dryer with my diffuser attached, and pretty much I'm gonna just go through the motions, dry my hair, and then at the end I'll let you guys know how long it actually took and what my thoughts are on the process. So I'm gonna just put this on the highest heat setting. So they say you should do like this. That's what I saw on YouTube. Okay, so pause. The highest heat setting was a little too hot, I think. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the 3rd highest. feels dry. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I can't believe, okay. Wow, oh my gosh. I can't believe my hair is fully dry right now and it's got a curl pattern. I'm gonna have to do a video showing you guys what happens when I air dry my hair. It literally loses every ounce of texture. Okay, well come through T3. Wow. Well, here it is. This is my final result from using a diffuser and Oribe curl jelly. This is cool. So it took 30 minutes, about 30-40 minutes to get my hair completely dry. I didn't do the method where you like flip your hair over and dry it because I have enough volume for me personally. And what else can I say? Yeah, it feels good. So I'm just anxious to see how many days this lasts. Cause like I said, I've never done a wash and go before. So let me know in the comments if that's something you'd be interested in, like an update video, or as I get the hang of this, maybe a second version and more of a like tutorial style diffuser video, because this was genuinely my first time trying it. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys because I know there are other people out there like me who've never tried a diffuser before. So yeah, these are the results. I am very happy and I can't wait to show my family and friends because I've never seen my hair like this without manipulation. So that's it for today. Thank you again for joining me. Thank you T3 for sending me the hair dryer and the diffuser. I will link all the information below. And a thank you as well to the Shangri-La Hotel. I'm at the Shangri-La in Santa Monica. It's a beautiful hotel and the light is amazing, as you guys can see. And yeah, that's it. So please subscribe and I will see you at the next one. Bye.